Hi, how are you? Good morning, my dear Algebra 1 students. I am creating this video for you to, if you miss the class last time, I am creating this video so that you can watch these slides on your own free time. It's all about, knowing this class and knowing me and also the rules and regulations of this Algebra 1 class. So, again, welcome. So we have here the word we are legend. So what's the meaning of that in this class? Okay, I'll skip this one. It's just the music. So I'll skip that. Okay, so how you feel today? I hope you're doing fine or doing well. So go ahead, identify how you feel today. I'll give you 30 seconds. Yeah, I hope you are feeling, okay. Oops. Me, I feel this one. All right. So you can use the Zoom, or I guess you can just, identify how you feel at this moment. All right, so let's now move on. Okay, I can statement. I can understand the overall goals, rules, and procedures for this classroom. Okay, so I want to introduce myself. I'm Miss Delore. I've been teaching for almost 20 years, and I was a teacher last year for fifth grade in Algebra 1. This is my third year as ASU Math Momentum teacher. I will teach 6th and 5th grade this year and also Algebra 1. So my hobbies are drawing, watching TV, and DIY. And I have finished my master's degree. And my noteworthy achievements is being a UNICEF leader. So I was able to create a fundraising event and able to, donate to UNICEF. I have my husband and my son with me here, and my philosophy is helping others. That's why I love teaching because it is my best way for me to help my students, my coworkers, and fellow co-teachers. All right, what's the meaning of legend? We are legend. So we have here a legend leaves a mark. No matter how you look at yourself, it is my belief that you can do something significant. It might be significant for thousands of people, like inventing something fantastic or starting your own company. It might also be small or ordinary to some, but something that is looked at with awe and admiration to a select small group. No matter where you come from, no matter how good you have done in school in the past, no matter how much money your family has, there is a place for you. You have to find it, and we are legends. So I think my point is, I know you're all smart, and that's why you're in this class. But on your own little ways, how are you gonna create mark to the lives of your siblings, parents, teachers, and classmates? So we are creating our own mark and path in this classroom. Right. So legend is someone who leads change. Okay, and of course you have your own definitions about legend, right? Okay. A legend is being admired, someone being admired and remembered. Right. You're gonna create your own meaning on the slide that that you will have, because I want to see that as your interaction in this video. But I'm creating this video so that you will be able to watch the whole thing, and after watching this video, you will be able to navigate the nearpod and answer those questions. All right, so have a legendary year. Do the following: buy into the big picture, be someone who has a purpose, find your niche and thrive, be prepared, have your supplies, and follow school rules. Okay, buy into the big picture. If there is no struggle, there is no progress. So, as you can know that, algebra could be a challenging math, course. So there should be and expect struggling here. But the good news is I'm here to help you, and your classmate will be there to help you and support you. And there's no such thing as, stupid mistake, right? stupid question, always ask for help, or don't be shy to ask for help. So we're here to help each other. Next, be someone who is admired. You must be change you want to see in the world. So whenever you have, I guess, wanna ask for a change in the class, well, we're expecting you to do things first at your own self, right? Example, if you're expecting classmate to be quiet, how about you be quiet first? If you're asking your classmate to participate, how about you participate in the class, right? So that the rest of the class or students or students in the whole class are participating. So that's what it means. Okay, find your niche and thrive. I used to live in a room full of mirrors. All I could see was me. I'd take my spirit and crush my mirrors. Now the whole world is here for me to see. So, for me, the meaning of this is find your best. What is your weaknesses and your strength, right? If you're a good leader in the classroom, if you're, being nice to each other, or being a good friend or someone who helps, go do it. Okay. So in the classroom, we have leaders, we have followers, we have those who are, helpers. So find your niche in the classroom so that you're contributing for the success of this class. And be prepared. Have your supplies. By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. So as we all know, this is an online class, right? Make sure you have a charged iPad. One of the reasons most or some of my students failed in this class because they didn't have a charged iPad. They will come here, Miss Delore, I need to charge my iPad. I need to share with someone. Well, guess what? You are responsible to charge your iPad. And also make sure you have your writing materials, your notebook, your pencil and pen, so that it's not going to interrupt your learning, time here in this Math Momentum Algebra 1 class. So please be ready whenever you come here. And be prepared. Have your supplies and also writing tools. Be ready. And of course, your Carnegie book if you have one. And your calculator will be online because we're using decimals. All right. So when I feel good, when I do good, I feel good. When I do bad, I feel bad. That's my religion. So, whenever we are having a test, or we need to be honest if we are doing it correctly or not, looking on others work or asking for help, we need to be honest. Okay. And also be respectful in each and every one of us, because this is the best time to learn, not to interrupt the classroom. Okay, so we all feel good to each other. Okay, rules and regulations, or rules and expectations. All right. So on the nearpod that you would do, I would like you to, do your rules and expectation during live class. Okay. So be on time. Prepare yourself before coming to your online class by doing your homework or watch the videos assigned to you. Be respectful and nice while or during during live class. Not there's no should be had well. So be respectful and nice during live class. Do not use any pseudonym. What's the meaning of the word pseudonym or any aliases? When you enter the Zoom link meeting, I would like you to type your full name because I have the roster and I'm making sure that, I'm accepting students just within on my roster. Okay? Do not use any profanity words during live lessons in any form. Ask question to the teacher. When speaking, please raise your hand to wait for your turn. Okay, now we have goal setting here. What is your goal for this class? So once you're done watching this video, make sure you go to the Nearpod link, the asynchronous Nearpod link, and go ahead type what is your goal. All right, Math Momentum website, and I will send these via Clever once I have your names in my Clever account. But so far, I'm still waiting for that, and this is now our website. So expect this ready for accessible on your how to say that on your Clever apps message tab, right? So we have here our digital notebook. Okay, I will update that. Then of course you have the curriculum calendar. So I'm gonna always every day expect a post video or record video about past lessons, especially if you missed it. Okay. Next, you have the course syllabus. You can access that where we at right now. You can just, click that and see where we at. And if you wanna explore about me, I'm Miss Delore. I'm from Texas, and I've been You see all the videos that I created. Then I have here our math resources. Here, any website about math will be helpful. By the way, here in Algebra digital notebook, underneath here is our decimals graphing calculator and also our scientific calculator. I think I want to see the okay. So this is the viewed published website. So if you click this one, right, it will take you to the graphing calculator that we will use eventually, and just go back there, and this is the scientific calculator that you are going to use. When I was teaching or learning algebra, my teacher told me your calculator will be your best friend. You know how to operate this one, and also the graphing calculator. All right, let's go back here. So website is very important for our communication, also the clever apps. All right. So for this one, I will, email your principal so that you are receiving a weekly progress monitor sheet. So as you can see, you go back to the, website, everything will be there. Every day I will record whatever lessons you have. If you missed a lesson for a reason, you have a quiz fee, you were sick, you have a field trip, or anything else, you have a student council, I'm going to make sure that you have access to the lessons that you missed by going to the website and going to the curriculum calendar. And I would like to give you every end of the month to finish all whatever you missed, and making sure that every week you, as a responsible student, you will turn in a weekly progress monitor sheet, screenshot that, and send to me through Clever Apps. All right. Okay, next. Okay, the ed puzzle, I don't have, I will do that when everybody's here. So wait for that when, we have a chance. Okay, so copy this in your math notebook. We will have a grading, percentage in this Algebra 1. So live class participation 10%, asynchronous learning, formative quizzes 30%, homework 10%, unit test 50%. So it's really important that you are coming here, and every month I'm going to give a weekly monthly progress to your parents so that they know if you're failing this class or you need to catch up or you're doing well. So we are grading you and we will monitor your scores. Okay, what are your expectations from your teacher and classmates here in Algebra 1? So go ahead and do that. And that's it. Thank you.